Hi, second graders. We are here to show you how to make some beautiful snowflakes, and I have someone here to help. Can you tell them who you are?
My name is Hope and I'm 6 and this is Postma's class.
Okay, so this is my little daughter, Hope. Some of you have met.
In the other video.
In the other video too. But Hope saw me practicing last night, and she all of a sudden had this huge stack of snowflakes. She discovered all these different ways of making snowflakes and told me that she just got creative. And so you see they're all different shapes and sizes.
I did this one this morning.
Oh yeah, that's a little one. Did you open it all the way up? There's a little snowflake. So Hope, what do we need to do our craft today?
Scissors and paper.
Just scissors and paper. And so your paper can be any color you want. I was noticing when I was looking up different snowflakes, I saw some black ones, I saw blue, I saw all different colors. And so you pick, and if you don't have just plain paper, you can even use your lined paper from school, and they would still look really pretty.
Or like in your notebook.
Your notebook paper, right.
And be very careful with scissors.
Yeah, be careful with scissors. So I'm just going to show you how I'm going to make the snowflake, and then I'm going to let Hope show you a little bit of an easier way to make a snowflake if this way is too challenging. So the first thing you need to do is have a square. Well, we know a normal piece of paper is not a square, it's a
rectangle.
A rectangle. So I'm going to take my paper and I'm just folding it here. You can see that I have folded it into like a rectangle, and I have this little flap down here. I'm going to take my scissors and I'm just going to cut that bottom flap off. Now, one thing Hope told me she does different is she just cuts the paper. She looks at it and she says, oh, that looks like a square to me. And so she did that right here with her paper. She just cut it. And she did pretty good. It's not a rectangle anymore, it's a square. So here we have our square. And by me folding it over to cut the flap off, I already made what I need it to be. It's another triangle. How many triangles make a square? Two. So here I have my triangle. I'm going to have the pointed part down like this, and I've got my two sides, my two ends, and I'm going to fold them into something. I'm going to fold them until I get a little point on the part that's facing me. And so, does it have to be perfect? No, it doesn't have to be perfect, we discovered. And so here I folded it, and I'm going to just hold it up like this.
You can even just do it like this.
Yep. I'm going to let you show yours in just a minute. Okay, so here's this. I have the point, and my two sides now are folded up like that. And now I'm going to take my scissors, and I'm going to cut off from this side here all the way across. I'm just going to cut that off. It doesn't have to be perfect or neat or anything. See, now I've got these floppy parts I've cut off, and I've got a smaller looking triangle here. Okay, now if I opened it up, I'm just going to show you this so you understand. If I opened it up, I would have the shape I want, which is more like a circle, right? But it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. So it's actually a hexagon looking shape. So I'm going to refold it back. I just wanted to show you. I can see this is going to be the middle. That really helped me when I was wondering where I should cut. So here it is. And I'm just going to fold it back up. I'm going to leave this part alone. I don't have to, though. I could do something cool. You can cut little triangles into your snowflake.
Or like rectangles or
you
squares.
Could do Here, I'll do a rectangle. Just show.
That's a square, Mom.
Oh, that's a rectangle. See, that's a rectangle. And I'm gonna do another. I'm trying to kind of do like a pattern, maybe. You don't have to, but you can. And I'm gonna do this on the another side too, just to get a nice little pattern that goes around. Okay, so far I have triangle, rectangle, triangle, triangle, rectangle, triangle. And I have this side too if I wanted to do anything, but you can just stop
and open it
and check it out. Looky, I have a cool pattern. The only thing you have to be careful of, I did this it was the second one I made. You have to be really careful to not cut too close to the edge sometimes because it will fall apart. See, that's really kind of flimsy looking, isn't it? Really thin, and it might break. But this was another one that I did. If you wanted to cut in the center, you would get something like this, and that's really pretty too.
That's one of my favorites.
Yeah, Hope likes this one, and I did hearts on this one. I can show you how I did that.
I tried to copy it earlier.
I just did like cut out half of a heart. Maybe your parent or grandparent can help you, or older brother or sister, and just kind of have fun with it. I did a couple little triangles off the bottom, and on top I did a few. I just made it kind of fancy. I'm gonna let Hope show you how she does hers now. I'm gonna turn the camera this way a little bit. She's a little shorter than me. Okay, go ahead.
Okay, so I just cutted a big piece of rectangle, which is this, and then I folded it like this, which you don't have to.
So she did hers in a square instead of making it like this, which may be confusing for you. Hope just folded hers into a square. Okay.
And then I took my scissors and I go like this.
We should have some Christmas music or something playing in the background.
You can't turn some on, Mom.
Hopefully we'll get some snow soon. We were supposed to get some Monday or Tuesday and we never did. We were so bummed.
I was like, when is it gonna snow? When is it gonna snow?
So we have all these snowflakes now, and I told Hope we're gonna have to decorate her room with them. Are you going all the way around, or are you just going to do two sides? What do you
All
think?
the way around.
All the way around, okay.
And you don't have to do this.
What did you enjoy most about making snowflakes? You can keep cutting. I'm just kind of talking while you're cutting.
Well, most thing I love about snowflakes is that they turn out really pretty on the inside. It looks plain on the outside, but it's really pretty on the inside. Sometimes it doesn't turn out pretty, and sometimes it does turn out pretty.
Uh-oh, she just ripped it a little. That's okay, keep going. Maybe you can cut that off. Can you cut it off? There you go.
You should take that.
It's your creation, so there's no right way or wrong way.
You don't have to do it in a pattern. You can do triangles, rectangles. You can do squares.
This little one she did, it's like the shape of an oval.
Yeah, I just took a flat piece of paper and cut an oval out, and then I folded it, and then I just started cutting.
If you have glitter at home, you could add a little glue on and then maybe just sprinkle a little glitter on there. You'd want to do that with help, though, of
Or
course.
a lot.
Yeah, Hope would like to do a lot, but glitter can be really messy and kind of a pain to clean up. So that's definitely something you'd want to ask your parent. But you could use coloring crayons to decorate them, or markers if you have them. Find different ways to decorate them. You could get some string of some sort and hang them if you wanted. I've seen people hang them in windows or just from the ceiling. Or
Yeah, I saw a lot of people just hang them from the ceiling.
The ceiling?
Which I want to do in my bedroom. Like just tape it onto the ceiling.
The best part is opening them up to see, because it's kind of like a surprise.
Yeah, it's kind of like opening a little doll that's hidden.
Ooh. Okay, let's take a look. Ooh, isn't that so pretty? And easy and fun.
And I can see you guys.
It's just something you can do at home if you have extra time. I hope you enjoyed. Bye-bye.
Bye.